Nature speaks the language of diversity. Nature also speaks the language of order. There is order in the meeting of different parts which fulfill different roles. Your best works in relation to others. You are in relation to something else. Your contrast makes you stand out. So also your similarities make you appreciate your relationships. In both diversity and unity, we have a pearl of great worth. We need both for a better society. We need both for the flourishing of any institution. Cherish both. God love you and God bless you. Thanks for watching. Stay inspired.